Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The topic for today is Lok Sabha, its composition and qualification for becoming a member of Lok Sabha. This topic is meant for the students of political science of 11th class. In the previous lecture, we discussed Rajya Sabha, its composition and qualification for becoming a member of Rajya Sabha. Now, today, our topic is Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, you know, it is also known as House of People or the lower house of Parliament. Now, composition of Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is composed of not more than 552 members. Of them, number one, not more than 530 are elected from the territorial constituencies in the states. That is, number one, not more than 530 are elected from the territorial constituencies in the states. Number two, not more than 20 are elected from the constituencies in the union territories. Two seats are reserved for Anglo-Indians. That is, 2 Anglo-Indian members are nominated by the President to give the community adequate representation. The term of Lok Sabha is 5 years. However, this house can be dissolved even before the expiry of the term. In case of emergency, or if the emergency is in force, then according to the Article 83 of the Constitution, the term of Lok Sabha can be extended for a year. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people through a secret ballot on the basis of universal adult franchise after every 5 years. Now, qualification for becoming a member of Lok Sabha. Number one, he should be a citizen of India. Number two, he should have not less than 25 years of age. He should not be a lunatic or bankrupt. Number four, he should not be disqualified otherwise by the parliament by law. यानी लोक सभा का मेंबर बनने के लिए किस क्वालिफिकेशन, किस एहलियत का होना जरूरी है? नंबर वन, ही शुड बी ए सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया. उसके लिए मुल्क का पश्चिमी बाशिंदा या शहरी होना जरूरी है. कंटेस्टेंट के लिए, कैंडिडेट के लिए जो मेंबर बनना चाहता है लोकसभा का, उसके लिए मुल्क का पश्चिमी बाशिंदा या शहरी होना जरूरी है. नंबर टू, इसकी उम्र कम से कम 25 साल होनी चाहिए. नंबर थ्री, ही शुड नॉट बी ए लुनेटिक और बैंकरप्ट. वो एक सेंसिबल इंसान होना चाहिए, कोई पागल या दीवाना नहीं, और वो बैंकरप्ट भी नहीं होना चाहिए, यानी दिवालिया भी नहीं होना चाहिए. नंबर फोर, he should not be disqualified by the parliament by law. पार्लियामेंट ने उसको किसी कानून के तहत नाअहल करार नहीं दिया हो. अगर कोई शहरी नाअहल डिस्क्वालीफाई हुआ है by the law of parliament, he is not eligible to contest the election for being the member of Lok Sabha. Dear students, I think it is enough for today. Khuda Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.